Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So guys, do you want to know about XP mini game reviews? So here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So please stay connected with us. Also guys, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So please stay tuned with us. So people from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. So first of all, we are going to check about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this website is an online shopping site which deals with video game consoles. They offer different kind of consoles, so you can check this out by visiting to their official site. So next we are going to check their payment option. They have given it here. You can pay through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Stripe and also cash on delivery. Now let's go to their shipping policy to check the shipping timing. So here they've given the shipping timing and also the processing timing. So the processing timing takes 1 to 2 business days and the shipping timing takes 48 hours. So normally you can receive your order within 3 to 4 business days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the alleged messy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. It's a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 4th of November 2021 and it is going to expire on 4th of November 2022, which means it is a newly formed website and hence it can't be trusted. Now let's check their about us details. So when it comes to their about us details, they haven't provided any information regarding their business establishment here or about their founder identity, which is a negative sign of this website. So next we are going to check the contact details. So here also they have only given their email address, as you can see. Also the email address name does not match the domain name, which is a negative sign of this website. Now talking about the social media presence of this website, well, this website does not have any social media presence, which is another drawback of this site. So now we are going to check the return and refund policy. So here it hasn't mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to return it within 30 days. And here about the refund. So they mentioned that they will send your money back within 7 days to your original mode of payment. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now, talking about the XP mini game reviews, we didn't find any single customer review of this website anywhere. And the TrustNick score of this website is only 2% and the business trust ranking is only 0.8%, which is very low and bad. And the content quality also seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the XP mini game reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. It is a very new website. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their full contact details and the trust score is very poor. So it is a scam site. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.